Hello guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Mihir and today I am going to tell you about my hometown, Mind City, Surat. For the tourist in 3-star hotel, price range is start from 500 rupees to 2000 rupees. It means between to $7 to $30. Yeah, it's too cheap. And here is the food is also less costly. Between the $4 to $10 you get a whole meal. And if you come in India, then don't forget to eat the pani puri. It means a golgappa. It's a very tasty and delicious. Before the starting about my city, let me tell you about my country, India. And why should you book your next vacation here? India is the one of the countries with the ancient civilization. Some of the arts, sculpture, temple had been through centuries. India is the only country in the world where you can find a different religion, language, tradition spread over the vast region. In the India, approximately 1600 languages are spoken, and about uncountable festivals are celebrated in different religions apart from national holidays. India has a total of 28 states and 8 union territories. The reason Surat is called the Diamond City is that around 90% of world's diamonds are being cut, polished, marked and exported from here. Besides this, Surat is also known as a silk city as it works in silk weaving and textile sarees is preferred all over the India. Surat is known for its dishes such as a surti locho, khamni, dhokla and many else. You can have a Bahubali thali, a Maharaja thali containing not 56 but 108 different varieties of the food in the dishes. Surat is among India's most flyover bridges having city and that's why it's also known as the city of the flyover. Currently, Surat ranks second in the cleanliest city of the India. The first place is Jagdish Chandra Bose Aquarium. It is the first multidisciplinary underwater aquarium of its kind in the country and named after the Bengali scientist Jagdish Chandra Bose. Next place, Gopi Talao, the Gopi Lake. It was built in 1510 by Malik Gopi, who was an affluent merchant and governor of Surat during the Mughal Empire. In 2012, the lake was renovated by Surat Municipal Corporation. Next place is very interesting place and that is Fort. A Portuguese traveler named Barbosa during his visit to Gujarat in 1514 was described Surat. The height of the fort wall was 20 yards and 15 meters wide at each corner. Going to the next place, Botanical Garden. This is the best place to hang out with friends and families. It's also known as Sneh Rasmi Garden. The garden has the helium balloon rides, toy train rides. This place is perfect for the picnic and a good place to spend time with the loved ones. Next, Sardhana Nature Park. Nature Park Sardhana is situated at the northeast corner of Surat city, which is approachable by Surat Kamlej Road. The site is covered with an area of 81 acres with river Tapi on the north side and Surat Kamlej Road is on its south side. Now going to next spot and the name is VR Mall. VR Surat is virtuous retail South Asian flagship destination and it is a first of its kind community-oriented integrated lifestyle destination. Spread over 6,15,000 area, the center has established itself as Surat only destination that. Next, the flower show. If you came Surat between January and February, then don't miss the show.
There are more than 1000 varieties of flowers in this show.
Next place, Science Center. The Fun Science Gallery is located on the first floor of this Science Center. It showcases the scientific principles with fun. Next, it's something different and that's our scrap culture. Surat Municipal Corporation had organized Surat Scrap to Sculpture Synoption in July-August 2017. 10 renowned sculptors from India had participated in the synopsis and sculpted 10 iconic sculptures. Next place is Amazia Water Park. There are 3 types of rides available in Amazia Water Parks. They are Thrill, Fun and Kids. For adventure lovers, you can always visit the Amazia Wonder Park, Tapi Riverfront and enjoy the river rafting and different adventure rides there. Next place and its iconic place of Surat, the Dumas Beach. Dumas Beach is an urban beach along the Arabian Sea located 21 km southwest of Surat city. This beach is famous for its black sand. It is most popular tourist destination in South Gujarat. Apart from the beach, place of interest at Dumas including the Darya Ganesh temple located to the main beach. Sculpture of plastic monster is an eye-catching point of Dumas Beach. It's made from 5,000 plastic bottles. and the sculpture height is 27 feet. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Namaste.